My cousin nearly died a few years back, and apparently at one point he said that Grandpa had come to take him to heaven. Now whether you believe that or not, what my aunt told him was just despicable. She said official car racing go-kart vintage shirt going to heaven anyway. Especially because he was leaving her. They have nearly a dozen kids. I don't honestly know how many they have because I lost track after our official car racing go-kart vintage shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Me too. And that's not even the full extent of her awful behavior. Though it certainly is the worst just because I'm feeling particularly pissed at her. Here are some additional shitty things she has done. She manipulated her son into asking to go to Disneyland as his make-a-wish. He official car racing go-kart vintage shirt and meet John Shauna. After my other product.